Hello, fan! Let's find Lightning McQueen and Pixar toys! Wow! Finn McMissile, yeah!
Get out of the way! Andate!
Ho, nice, okay? Wow! Fabulous Lightning McQueen! Yeah, nice. Okay. Woohoo! Wow! Cruz Ramirez!
Thanks, guys. Nice paint, kiddo.
Ho, nice. Okay, follow me, guys. Wow! Tomb Raider! Ho, okay, let's go! Wow, Bobby Suarez! Yeah, nice. Okay, let's go. Wow, guys, it is Sally. Yeah, nice. Wow, it is Super Lightning McQueen.
Get her done.
Ho, nice. Wow, Smokey.
Look alive! The reflexes are the first thing to go! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, okay, let's go. Wow, Carla Veloso.
What just happened?
I'm working on it.
Ho, nice, okay, follow me, guys. Wow, Sheriff.
Oh no! Oh, maybe he can help me! He's shooting at me! Why is he shooting at me?
Yeah, cool. Wow, guys, it is Holly. Ho, nice. Follow me, guys. Wow, Jackson.
I think I touched a nerve.
Yeah, cool. Yahoo! Nice, okay, follow me, guys. Wow, Pixar toy. Ho.
Hey, fan. Let's find McQueen. Yeah, let's go. Wow. This is Tech.
Thanks, Tex. I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
Yeah, okay, Tech. Let's go. Oh, nice. Yeah, Super Lightning McQueen.
Are you ready to rock? Oh yeah! You wanna move?
Wow. Nice, okay. Yeah, Axelrod.
It is my absolute honor to introduce to you the competitors in the first ever world.
Wow. Fillmore.
Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man.
Wow. Nice. Okay, Fillmore, let's go. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a Smokey.
Great number. Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
Nice. Okay, Smokey. Let's go. Oh, Lightning McQueen.
What did Luigi tell you, eh?
Wow, you were right.
Wow. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's Jackson.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
Nice. Okay, Jackson. Let's go. Oh, yeah. It is Flo.
Flo, what do you have at your store?
I have gas.
Okay, boys, stay with me.
Haha. Nice. Okay, Flo. Let's go. Yeah. Wow. Finn McMissile.
It's Finn McMissile. He's in the camera. Kill him.
Yeah, I read the mission. Wow. Oh, nice. Wow, Bobby Suarez. Yeah, nice, Bobby. Let's go. Yeah, it's just Ramon.
Von Dutch style, huh? Oh, honey, look.
Nice, okay. Wow. Here's the sheriff.
Start your engine!
Nice, okay, follow me, guys. Wow. Yeah, Serge.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics, man.
Oh, okay, Serge, let's go. Follow me, guys. Wow, this is Mater.
I like you already. My name's Mater.
Mater?
Nice. Wow, super Mater. Oh, nice, okay. Follow me, guys. Yes, Doc Hudson. Wow. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Wow. Nice. Okay, guys. Next car. Hey, it's Sally.
We siphoned your gas while you were passed out. Good job.
Ow, ow, ow.
Ah, nice. Okay. Wow, guys, it is Holly. Nice, okay. Yeah, Cruz.
Alright! Look who finally showed up.
Cruz Ramirez. Let's go. Wow. Okay, guys. Next car. Yeah, Graham. Wow.
Hey guys, let's find Lightning McQueen and Pixar toys. Yeah, let's go. Wow. Many Pixar cars. Yeah.
Are you ready to
Wow, who is that? Yeah, Super Tomb Raider. Hey, okay. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Wow. This is Tex.
Thanks, Tex. I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
Yeah. Okay, Tex. Let's go. Oh, nice. Yeah. This is Graham.
He's dead, Professor.
Wunderbar.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Cruise.
All right, look who finally showed up.
Yeah. Cool. Wow. This is Filmo.
Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Nice. Wow. Monster Jackson.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
Yeah. Cool. Wow. Yeah, Monster Lightning McQueen.
What did Luigi tell you, eh? Wow, you were right. Better than a Ferrari, huh?
Yeah. Wow. Nice. Wow. This is Smokey.
All right, Guido, turn up the heat. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Ah!
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, cool. Wow. Search.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics, man!
Nice. Wow. Okay. Wow. Axelrod.
It is my absolute honor to introduce to you the competitors in the first ever world.
Oh, nice. Yeah, cool. Okay, follow me, guys. Yeah, Ramon.
Von Dutch style, huh?
Oh, honey, look.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Tomb Raider. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Whoa. Cool. Wow. Ramon.
Von Dutch style, huh?
Oh, honey, look.
Yeah. Okay, Ramon, let's go. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Monster Lightning McQueen.
Gag them out! Huh?
Oh. Oh, wow. Nice, okay. Wow, this is Francesco.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible!
Yeah, okay, Francesco, let's go. Yeah, cool. Wow, this is Mark.
You're here! Thank the manufacturer you're alive!
Matt?
Yeah. Nice. Okay, Mark, let's go. Wow. Okay. This is Monster Jackson. Yeah.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
Nice, Jackson. Let's go. Wow. Nice. Yeah, search.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics, man.
Nice. Okay, search. Let's go. Wow. Nice. Yeah, Jackson.
Huh.
Okay, Jackson, let's go. Wow. Yes, there.
Thanks, Tex. I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
Yeah, let's go there. Wow. Nice. Okay. Wow, Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Wow. Nice. Yeah, Smokey.
All right, Guido, turn up the heat. Okay. Whoa!
Oh, nice. Okay, Smokey, let's go. Wow. Okay. Wow. McMissile.
It's McMissile! He's seen the camera! Kill him!
I ready now, Mason? Yeah, let's go. Wow. Nice. Oh yeah. This is Graham.
He's dead, Professor.
Wunderbar.
Okay, Graham, let's go. Wow. Nice. Okay. Wow. Super mate. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Wow. Super Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Flo.
Flo, what do you have at your store?
I have gas. Lots of gas.
Okay, boys, stay with me.
Yeah. Flo.